Hello everyone, and today we are going to be making shrimp fried rice. To get started, we are going to need 2 cups of basmati rice. We're going to wash these and soak them for about 1 hour. Then, taking a large pot, we're going to fill it with some water and put this on high flame. In a rumbling boil, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of salt, and we're going to add in the rice as well as 4 tablespoons of oil. You're going to let this boil. And once it's done boiling, we're also going to start working on the vegetables and shrimp. So we're taking 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 pound shrimp. This is clean and everything. It's ready to make. So we're going to cook this on high flame and make sure that you don't overcook it. Right as it gets pink, then you know it's done. We're going to be taking 1/4 of a cup of olive oil, and into this we're going to be adding 1 tablespoon of garlic, just chopped as you can see here. So here I'm going to show you how to cut the carrots. We're not using any sort of a cutting machine. We're going to do this by hand for the best look. So you can see you're cutting them straight up and then by the side to create these beautiful strips. So once the garlic has become fragrant and slightly brown, we're going to add in the 3 carrots that we had cut up beforehand, as I showed you before. These are going to get slightly soft as you can see, and here the shrimp is almost done. We added a pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper just to taste. Here we're going to add some green spring onion and bell pepper. You can do this more or less depending on how you like it, but we're using 1/2 a bell pepper and a little bit of spring onion here. And 1/4 of a cup of water. We mix 1 chicken cube, and we're going to add this into the vegetables for a better flavor. Here is 1 egg. We just scrambled that. Here we're just adding about 1.5 cups of cabbage cut thinly, and about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Then we're going to add the shrimp that is cooked as you can see here and mix this in thoroughly. Next, we're going to add in the scrambled egg that we made beforehand. Be careful while making your scrambled egg. You don't want it to get rubbery. Here you can see I'm adding 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and I'm also going to be adding in 1/2 tablespoon of vinegar. Then you're going to mix this up and add in the rice. You can see the rice is boiled perfectly and it did not stick. And of course we drained the rice and then we added it in here. Now give this a good mix and sprinkle a little bit of black pepper on top just for taste, and mix this up nice and well, and it's perfectly ready to serve. Now on top we just add some cut up green onion just to make it look even more special. So here you can see I'm taking it out in a plate. This is absolutely delicious. Now if you want, you can eat this as is or eat it with chicken shashlik, and we actually have a recipe for this, so go check it out.